Okay, this is homework number 2. All right, so homework number 2 says, number 1 says, what is the measure of AC in the right triangle below? So what we're looking for is this measurement all the way across here. Okay, so if I just, if I turn this to where it looks like the right triangle, like what we've seen, which is right here. Okay, in green I'm going to highlight the 2 legs of this big triangle. There and there. And I have the 2 measurements there that I could use, 9 and 12. Alright, so that's going to be Pythagorean theorem. And that'll give us all the way across from AC, so it's going to be A squared plus B squared. Will give us the measurement. So we don't even need the H or anything like that. Alright, number 2. What is the unit rate of the graph below? So we're looking for the unit rate. Alright, so where the unit rate is, all we are looking for is how many total meals are packed in 1 hour. So we just need to look at 1 and then get that there. Make sure you be careful and check out to see what each interval up here is going by. Okay, so that way you can tell what this is going to be for the unit rate. Alright, number 3, does the graph below represent a function? So yes or no, is this a function? Be careful when we look at your line right here. Okay, how it's going like that. That's the line we're looking at. Okay, number 4, using the graph below, what is the distance between the 2 points? So the distance between the 2 points is what we're looking at here. Okay, we're looking for the distance. All right, so what we can do is from this point to that point, we can make a right triangle. There. And then there's my 90-degree angle in there. And then you just have to count the lines that we got going on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then going up. You got this measurement here, and you're going to have this measurement there. You can use A squared plus B squared to find the distance. All right. Okay, number 5. So Sean invests $7,000 for 3 years at 4% per annual compound interest. Find the total amount in the account at the end of the 3 years. So compound interest tells us what formula we're going to use. A equals the principal multiplied by 1 plus the interest rate, and time is your exponent. Okay, number 6. What is the surface area of the rectangular prism below? Okay, surface area. Whoops. It's perimeter to base times the height plus 2 times area of the base. Okay. All right, number 7. What is the measure of B in the triangle below? So we're looking for the measure of B right here. Okay, I can go ahead and see that this gives me the right angle. Oops, the right angle there. So we got Pythagorean theorem, and since we are given the hypotenuse, which I'm looking at right here, that is the hypotenuse. Okay, so that means that I have to subtract. Whenever I square these numbers, I have to subtract in order to find the missing side. So it's going to be c squared minus, we can say a squared, is what we're going to use there. Okay, number 8. Order the following numbers in ascending order. So remember, ascending order means we're going up. Okay, that's what that means. Let's get a better looking arrow in there. Okay, ascending, going up. So that means it's from least to greatest. All right. Okay, number 9, write an equation in slope-intercept form. Okay, slope-intercept form. All right, y equals mx plus b. Needs to be like that. Okay, number 10. Last one. What is the volume of the cone? All right, so we got a volume of a cone question. All right, so what you're going to do now, first of all, is take a look at this diameter that's given at 3.5. So what we're going to do is divide that by 2. All right, so we'll have to divide that by 2 to get the radius. We get a radius of 1.75. So let me go ahead and write that in here. Radius equals 1. You know what? Let's do this way. Let's go ahead. Put R equals 1.75. That looks better. All right, there's my radius of 1.75. The height obviously is 4. So for volume of the cone, we're going to use the formula. V equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. Remember, we have to find the area of the base, which is pi r squared. So we'll have to do this part first. We'll do this first. Then we'll do the other part second. Oops. There we go. All right. And that's it.